Here at Gillam's Fishing Resort, fishing for Mekong catfish. Let's see if we can catch one of these huge fish on video. It's the right time of day. Oh, there's one. Oh, nice. Oh, and we're rolling. Fish on! Fish on! Well, that's how it goes some days here at Gillam's. Cast it out, bang, right away. Good fish too. Whoa. How you doing, Steve? You won't believe it. We cast out, bang, right on video as soon as I turned it on. If you could reel that other float in. One of the guides, Steve here, is going to help us out and reel that in. Thanks a lot, Steve. Sorry, I just threw it out of the way. It was funny because my girlfriend was calling about grocery lists, so I shut the video off and then I started over again. As soon as I started over, I cast it in, bang! Thank you. Oh, now we've got one of the veteran guides here. This is Galak. Hello, Galak. We're on camera here, Galak, catching Mekong. How you say plabuk? It's plabuk, right? Mekong in Thai? Plabuk? That's, yeah. So the Thai people call this plabuk. This fish is over the other side of the lake. Already. Whoa. Oh, he's not happy. Oh boy. I'm not sure. He's in the middle right now. I'm not sure what. Maybe that second one, have to be careful. Number Sam, yeah. Yep. Okay, khop khun krap. Fish coming down. Sorry, guys. These fish are so strong. We're using spider thread line today. It's 80-pound braid. Yeah, it's pretty all the way down the middle there, buddy. And we're filming with a GoPro Hero camera, although I don't have the waterproof cover on the back, so I can't jump in the water with the camera on. If I have to go in the water to chase the fish, I'll have to take off the camera. Guys, way down there now, Galot, way down. Fish coming down!
Wait, come long way up.
The fish is now almost at the other end of, well, at least halfway down the lake. So the guide's running down to tell the other people to pull their lines in. Really don't have any control over this fish at all. As you can see, the rod's been almost straight. Now we have a problem because I'm either going to have to jump in the water. If this fish doesn't turn now, I'm going to try to trick him, see if I just give him a little bit of slack, a little bit of less pressure, and see if he'll swim back this way. If he doesn't swim back this way, I'm going to have to jump in the lake and chase him, but that means I've got to end the video. No, he's coming. Plus, once you jump in the lake, you lose your advantage on the fish. You lose the height, and you're fighting him on his level. Looks like we've turned him. There we go. Got him coming back out to the middle of the lake. Oh, maybe I spoke too soon. Cannot go water because camera no water. No nam. Oh no. I won't go water. If fish go down.
Yeah, pick that one, yeah.
No, it's okay. No, if fish go down, we go. I pass to you. It's not record. It's not. I don't think it's.
Yeah.
It's not. I see the fish. It's not a world record, so I can pass. If fish go down, I pass you the rod through the tree, and I run down the shore. It's the easy way. No, I got you. Okay, we go through a tree, look. Okay. Okay. Just hold.
Yep.
Okay, one second.
Yeah.
So, Hanati. Okay.
Yep.
All right, now we'll chase the fish. Oh, missed that one. Yeah, it's true. Trying to be a smart ass because I'm on video doing this, of course. Can we go one more? Yeah. Let me get through here a little bit. You think okay now? Okay, buddy. I was just trying to go to an empty swim. So. Oh, they've got two untangled?
Yeah.
Well, hopefully I'm not in the middle of that stuff. I thought he was saying we were tangled up with them, but... Oh. It feels like this fish is about 130 or 140. If it was really big, I wouldn't be jumping over the trees. I would have taken the camera off, said goodbye to you guys on camera, and jumped in the lake. I think I was trying to say earlier that we're using spider thread line here, 80-pound test. It's distributed by Red Wing Tackle out of Pickering, near Toronto, Canada. As you can see, this line's taking a beating, especially after I ran it through the trees and everything like that. And we're putting a lot of pressure on this fish right now. Probably too much, but we want to show everybody watching the fish before the battery runs out on the camera. Oh, we run out of memory stick. Plus, we'd like to let everybody else get back to fishing and get the fish in before it gets dark. What do you think, Luck? You want to be on YouTube? Say hello, YouTube. Come on, fish. All right, clock. I just want to really put this line to a test. That's all right. Everybody watches fishing stuff on knows what the word that means. Oh, my back. Oh! Ouch! Oh, that hurt. This fish is not happy. I wouldn't if somebody was dragging me around behind a Volkswagen or something like that. Oh, I can't. They're just so strong. In my opinion, these are the strongest freshwater fish you can fight, but at least the strongest I've caught. Now, thumbing the spool is not a good idea for anybody that thinks it is. Although I've had a little bit of practice doing this, so I take that risk. He's not going to be happy when he comes up. Whoa. You better get this thing in now. I didn't like the way he rolled there, though. A lot of times they're facing away from you, and I don't know if pulling them backwards is definitely not good for them if the water, you know, they can almost drown, right?
Really?
Yeah. I was just talking to Stuart about that last night. If you hook one in the tail, let's get him in and get him revived. Come on, fish. Well, he seems healthy enough. Do you have a towel or something?
Yeah.
I can't see. I get sweat in my eyes. Thanks. Oh, jeez. My back is destroyed. Well, this fish is probably almost definitely under 150 pounds, so you can imagine what a 250 would fight like. The world record is 260. Caught it here at Gillen's last December. It's too low, Glock. Oh, now he's going to go again. See if he can trick him. Nope. You guys want to see big fish? In a minute, it's coming. Big fish. Ugh. Where are you guys all from? You from Russia?
Yes.
Yeah? They have big fish in Russia? Ah! There you go, good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck. You got him?
Yep.
Good job, buddy, thank you. Whew. Nice fish. Thanks, Kalak. Good job there, buddy. Good job. Number 5. It's got a 5 on its head. You want to touch the fish? You want to touch the fish? Just touch it.
Don't get eaten by it.
Just touch it. It's okay. Watch, watch. You can touch. You can touch. You can touch the fish. See? Like shark, but no teeth.
Yes, like shark.
There you go. Wow, look at that. Fantastic. Okay, we need injection kit. Injection kit? Where would it be? In there. Cheers. Thank you. Just a little bit, yeah?
Yeah.
There's no plunger.
Oh yeah.
Need another injection kit.
No,
Oh, there's a plunger. Oh, sorry. Do we have a needle? Yeah, okay, we got. Sorry, my bad. There you go, buddy.
Yep.
All the catfish here at Gillam's get injected with this, I don't know what it is, secret solution that reduces a lactic acid buildup in their muscles. And it's healthy for the fish. The fish's health is always a priority here at Gillam's. The fish is injected just behind the dorsal. Thanks a lot. Yep. Spray, any purple spray under the umbrella maybe? And then we spray all the fish with what's like an iodine solution anywhere there's marks on the fish to stop infection. Top fin there, go up too. Okay, this is totally harmless what we're spraying it with. Can you hold the fish up to lock for me? Yeah. Hold up so I can see. Just a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, what's that, about 90 or 100? Cowsip? What do you think that one weigh, Galak? Oh, in kilo, 40 kilo, 45?
Yeah, 45 kilo.
45 kilo. Oh.
It's okay, yeah.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Galak. See you later.